Welcome to this video on 8 habits for almost limitless energy. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel drained and low on energy. However, incorporating these habits into your daily routine can help you maintain your energy levels and boost your productivity. In this video, we will also share a story about a boy who struggled with low energy levels and how he incorporated these habits into his routine to feel more energetic and productive. So, let's get started. Story. Meet Tom, a 17-year-old boy who was always tired and lacked energy. He struggled to focus on his studies and found it difficult to complete his daily tasks. Tom wanted to find a way to increase his energy levels and feel more productive. One day, Tom came across an article about 8 habits for almost limitless energy. He decided to give it a try and incorporated these habits into his daily routine. Habit 1. Get enough sleep. Tom realized that he was not getting enough sleep, which was causing him to feel tired and drained. He started going to bed and waking up at the same time every day to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Habit 2. Stay hydrated. Tom realized that he was not drinking enough water throughout the day, which was causing him to feel dehydrated and fatigued. He started carrying a water bottle with him everywhere he went to remind himself to drink water regularly. Habit 3. Eat a balanced diet. Tom realized that he was not eating a balanced diet, which was affecting his energy levels. He started including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein in his meals. Habit 4. Exercise regularly. Tom realized that he was not getting enough physical activity, which was contributing to his low energy levels. He started going for a run every morning to boost his energy levels and improve his overall health. Habit 5. Take breaks. Tom realized that he was not taking breaks throughout the day, which was causing him to feel overwhelmed and drained. He started taking short breaks every hour to stretch and take a walk. Habit 6. Manage stress. Tom realized that he was feeling stressed and anxious, which was negatively impacting his energy levels. He started practicing meditation and deep breathing exercises to manage his stress levels. Habit 7. Prioritize your tasks. Tom realized that he was not prioritizing his tasks, which was making him feel overwhelmed and drained. He started making a to-do list and prioritizing the most important tasks first. Habit 8. Practice gratitude. Tom realized that he was not focusing on the positive aspects of his life, which was affecting his mood and energy levels. He started practicing gratitude by writing down 3 things he was grateful for every day. Conclusion. By incorporating these 8 habits for almost limitless energy into his daily routine, Tom was able to boost his energy levels and feel more productive. Remember to get enough sleep, stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, take breaks, manage stress, prioritize your tasks, and practice gratitude. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.